Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got a very exciting unboxing for you guys. But first, before I get into that, please do take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. So if you saw the title of this video, you know it is another unboxing from none other than Hermes. So I got some really fun little things at Hermes this last week and obviously I want to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. So the first item that I got, I actually have already taken out and has been assembled on my bag. So it is a little Twilly and I saw the little box. It's so cute. It's like a little itty bitty cylinder with the little Hermes bow. Like, this is so stinking cute. I'm ready to just, you know, plop it on my little shelving here and it's so cute. Let me show you the actual Twilly I got though. So I have my little Picotin 18 that I got in Singapore and I just needed to get a Twilly on it. I felt like it looks so cute with a little something, and this one is seriously so pretty. I'll give you guys a little close-up of it. So it's kind of like little city vibe. So yeah, it's just super cute. You can see like little Paris right there. Really, really cute. I decided to style it in this way with like the little braiding and the bow. I just think it looks so cute like this on a Picotin instead of over the strap, because you could have it like over the strap, you could tie it on the side, but I think it looks the cutest this way because of like the little lock also hanging down. I feel like it all just goes together really well and I absolutely love the color combination. I knew I definitely had to go in store and have someone help me with it because I feel like there's just so many options and it's a little overwhelming. So having someone there who can help you, definitely recommend. But yeah, my sales associate, he helped me pick this out and it is so beautiful, so perfect. I love the color. Since this is like a pale yellow, I definitely wanted to keep it pretty colorful, pretty light, and just super cute for like spring, summertime. So this is super, super cute and I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so fun and just really adds a bit of pizzazz to my handbag. I feel like a big trend we're gonna see this year and have kind of already seen is all of like the bag charms and just, you know, expressing yourself on your bags. So I really like that. So that was my first little item of the haul. And then moving on to the grand finale, to the big item that I got, which I am so obsessed with these shoes. So I guess spoiler, they're a pair of shoes. They are so cute and elegant and chic and just so classic. Like, they're so beautiful and a perfect everyday shoe. So let me just show you what I got. Oh, before I show you, it was so nice. My sales associate, he like threw in little like makeup samples. LOL. Yeah, so I have some little makeup testers for their lipstick. I've never tried Hermes cosmetics, but now I have some to try. So I'll let you guys know if I think they're good. Anyways, to the unboxing. So here is the box, also my receipt. Just go ahead and drop that in the bag. And as always, the packaging is just so beautiful, so stunning. Okay, let's open it up because I really want to show you guys these shoes. They are so cute, so fun. And yeah, like I said, neutral, perfect for summer, classic, elegant, like all the great things that shoes can possibly be. All right, the ribbon is officially off. Let's get into the shoes. So go ahead, open it up. These are, they're so pretty. They're so cute. Okay, let's guess. Guess in the comments what style shoes you think I'm about to show you. I think I did spoil. They are sandals. So if that helps narrow them down, they're a pair of sandals. Let's see if you guys can guess what it is. I'll go ahead and show you now. So here is the sandal, and these are seriously so stunning. You can see it has like the little Kelly buckle on it. So these are the Giulia style sandals and so stinking cute and just so like beautiful. Like such a nice color. Just looks very elegant and really, really sleek. It also is, on the other side, kind of fun. I do love this detail on it. I think it's real too. Like, I can actually twist and open this if I so wanted to. So you could wear them open or closed. I'll probably wear it closed. But it is like, she's fully functioning. But yeah, these are just so beautiful. Let me get the second one so you get little side by side, full view. All right, so here is the left foot. Yeah, these are seriously so beautiful. They're like such a perfect go-to sandal. I feel like every so often, every couple of years, I buy just a nice pair of brown sandals like this and I wear them to death. Like, I will wear those brown sandals every single day of summer, every day of spring. Like, they are my go-to look, my go-to shoe, and I cannot wait for these to be my new go-to sandal, go-to shoe, because I know a style like this I am going to wear to death. Like, I will get so much use out of these and I'm excited because they're so beautiful and just like a really elevated sandal. So definitely can dress up your look, but obviously it looks cute with jeans, shorts. You can wear them casual. So I just love though how they do have the ability to look a little bit nicer, a little bit dressier, but then also kind of fills the category of being a casual sandal just because of the color. These do come in a lot of different colors, but like I said, I love a brown sandal. Like, this is my go-to style, and yeah, I think these are so beautiful. Again, this is such a beautiful color brown. I like the silver hardware. I've kind of been dabbling in more silver, and I think silver is definitely going to be a bigger trend in 2025. My bag, silver hardware, so you know, we got some silver on silver going, but I'm also a big mixed metals girly, so I'll be wearing the silver with the gold. Yeah, anyways, this style was honestly super comfortable when I was trying it on in store. I cannot say actual wear because I haven't really worn them yet, but trying it on in store, they were very comfortable, and I feel like a telltale sign of a wildly uncomfortable shoe is when you try it on in store and it's already uncomfortable. So that did not happen. These are super comfortable. I do have Oran sandals from Hermes that I got in Paris. I did a whole like video on those as well, so definitely check it out after this video. But if you want me to do a little comparing these to the Oran sandals, which I did get some use out of, I have worn them now a couple of times, I can do that for you guys. Let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, these are my newest purchase from Hermes. They are so beautiful, so cute and elegant, and yeah, just something that I'm going to get so much use out of, and I'm excited to get so much use out of. But yeah, so let me know in the comments, let me know what you think. Do you like this style? Do you think it's fun and cool and funky? Do you think it's like weird? Like, I'm so curious to hear what you guys think. I just think this is such a fun design and such a classic Hermes look. But yeah, curious to hear what you guys think in the comments. Also, if you just enjoyed this video, little luxury unboxing, luxury shoe unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and also please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.